Hello, I am Evaho with Mooji Trucks. Today I want to show you this 2016 Ford Explorer with 82,000 miles. We cleaned it. It has some scratches. I will try to show every scratch that it has. You can see something here, here. Here. They are small, but anyway, I want to show you everything what I mentioned. It has something here, as you can see. A small one here. Yeah. We want to show you also all the tires. No rust. It's a Californian cars. No leaks. So damages, you can see. Also from the here, it's pretty clean, pretty nice. Okay, now let's go to the inside. Doors. So there are missed the central console, but we will get it, or you can buy as is. Here you go. No lights. AC is working, it's cold. You can see. There are back seats, but no third row. Let's see the engine. It runs smooth. Nice car. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you.